General Project Configuration. Here, we'll cover the initial aspects to configure in a project, all of which are managed from the input panel at the root level of the project. First, we must ensure that we're developing the project using the appropriate units. This can be checked in the Unit System tab, where you can choose between the metric system, to work in meters, or the Imperial System, to work in feet. Next is the Targets, only for reference tab. This section is the only one without preloaded default values, so it is up to the user to define the reference metrics for the specific project. Based on these inputs, the platform will indicate how close or far the current project is from the defined goals using a color-coded system. In this case, we aim to reach a total of 100 apartment units with either 2 or 3 bedrooms. Since the plot was imported from CAD, the plot area is automatically filled in. Finally, we will set a target of at least 100 parking spaces and 100 storage units. In the Gross Floor Area, Deduction Coefficients tab, we define the percentages used to calculate the computable area from the built area, depending on the space's use. This affects the calculation of areas shown in the data panel tables. These coefficients can vary depending on the urban regulations of your plot and local codes. Their impact is significant when determining a project's profitability, so it's highly recommended to verify that these coefficients are correctly set before creating any buildings. In this case, we'll keep the platform's default values. There is also a section for excluded zoning areas, which allows you to subtract a certain area per dwelling from the total computable surface. You can define a different value depending on the floor type, attic, standard, or ground floor. This option can be useful when local regulations allow certain areas to be excluded from the calculation. However, in this case, we won't exclude any surface. Lastly, we have the Advanced Controls tab, which lets you adjust the threshold for representation in different colors. The threshold value refers to the difference between the metric requested from the AI and the actual result in the current design. There are controls for both area metrics and minimum dimension metrics. As for the data panel, you'll notice it appears blank. This is because we haven't added any buildings yet. As soon as we do, it will activate automatically. Explore our upcoming videos to continue mastering the platform.